this is Kayla Hadley singing another original hit, Sailing Free. Sailing around all over the place, it makes it feel so free. The wind is rushing around in my hair. It feels so good to me. As the wind, as I'm resting in the boat, waiting to get to the other side. My journey's not over yet as I sail across the lake. There's a whole path in front of me that I'm gonna have to take. It's gonna lead me the right way. There's a whole path in front of me that I'm gonna have to take. I'm gonna be sailing free. Switching sails around the boat is so fun to me. Makes me happy. The wind goes around and the sails, making them look like puffy clouds. It feels like we made it to Magic Land, a magical place way up there with the angels all around. That is starlight.